Hello everyone, and welcome to our first English conversation video.
We're here to help you learn English in a fun and natural way through real conversations. No boring grammar rules, no long lectures, just simple English that you can use every day.
In today's video, we're going to talk about daily routines. That means the small things we do every day: waking up, eating breakfast, going to work or school, relaxing in the evening.
We'll show you how two friends talk about their routines in easy English. You can listen, repeat, and practice with us.
So, let's start our conversation. Hey Lily, see you again. How's your morning going?
Pretty good. I was just thinking about daily routines today.
Daily routines? That's funny. I was thinking about mine too.
Really? Maybe we should talk about it.
Yeah, let's share. But first, let's introduce ourselves to everyone watching.
Good idea. Hi, everyone. My name is Lily. I'm from Phnom Penh, Cambodia. I love learning languages, and I'm excited to share English with you today.
And I'm Mark. I'm also from Cambodia. I enjoy teaching English through simple conversations. So today, we'll talk about our daily routines.
Okay, Mark, tell me, what time do you usually wake up?
I usually wake up at 6 in the morning. Sometimes later if I'm lazy.
Oh, I wake up earlier, around 5:30. I like to start the day with some exercise.
Exercise? Wow. I just drink water and check my phone.
Checking your phone first thing? That's dangerous. You'll get stuck scrolling.
True. Sometimes I spend 20 minutes just looking at funny videos.
After I wake up, I stretch a little. Then I make tea.
Tea, not coffee?
No, I don't like coffee. It makes me too nervous.
I love coffee. 1 cup in the morning or I can't function.
Okay, coffee man. What do you eat for breakfast?
Usually Khmer chicken porridge. Sometimes Khmer noodles.
Oh, porridge is nice. I eat fruit in the morning. Mango, banana, or papaya.
That sounds healthy. After breakfast, what do?
I go to work. I ride a motorbike.
Motorbike? Do you like riding in the traffic?
Not really. Khmer Penh traffic is crazy, but it's faster than walking.
True. I usually drive the car. Even the traffic is bad, but it's okay.
What time do you start work?
At 7, I teach English classes.
Oh, nice. I start at 7 too. I work in an office.
Do you like office work?
Sometimes. I like talking to my colleagues, but paperwork...
Paperwork is boring in any language.
What about lunch?
I eat lunch at 12, usually rice and fish.
Same here. Sometimes I eat rice and samlar korko.
Samlar korko is great in Cambodia. I also like it.
Of course, I like everything in Cambodia, Mark, especially people with their lovely smile face. And we can say Cambodia is land of smiles.
Yes, I think so, Lily. After lunch, I teach more classes. Then I go home around 5.
I finish work at 5:30. Then I go home and cook dinner.
What do you cook?
Simple food. Rice, vegetables, sometimes chicken.
Sounds delicious. I usually eat with my family. My mom cooks.
Lucky you.
After dinner, I watch TV or read.
I watch YouTube. English videos, cooking videos, sometimes funny ones.
Do you watch late at night?
Not too late. I go to bed at 10.
Same here. If I sleep later, I feel tired the next day.
So your routine is wake up, coffee, teach, lunch, teach again, dinner, TV, sleep.
Exactly. And yours is wake up, exercise, tea, office, lunch, office, cook, YouTube, sleep.
Yes, we're different but also similar.
Daily routines are important. They give us balance.
True, but sometimes it's nice to break the routine.
Like sleeping late on Saturdays?
Yes, or eating ice cream for breakfast.
Ice cream for breakfast? That's crazy.
Crazy, but fun.
You know, talking about routines makes me feel grateful.
Me too. We have simple routines, but they keep us healthy and happy.
And they help us practice English.
Exactly. Even small words like wake up, eat, go, sleep are useful.
So, friends watching, what's your daily routine?
Yes, tell us in the comments. Write in simple English.
We'd love to read your routines.
And remember, practice every day. English is also a routine.
That's a good takeaway. English is a daily routine.
Okay, let's say goodbye.
Thanks for watching, everyone.
See you next time.
Thank you for watching.
Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe for more videos.